All right, so we all been out there in the woods and went to open up our finest can of supper, and our can opener broke, or we forgot to pack a can opener. Well, there's several ways you can open a can. Easiest way to open a can is with the pop top. Get a can with a pop top. Most of them have pop tops now, but some of the most delicious ones don't have a pop top. Like this is nacho cheese. Yeah, it's all right. Could use a pop top. Sausage gravy, highly desirable. No pop top. What gives with that? You're obviously going to want to get into this a lot faster than getting into this. Or the tried and true method, the can opener. So I'm not going to waste my time opening a can with this because everybody knows how this works. So you have the tried and true military grade P51, not that P51, and its little brother, the P38, not that P38. I prefer the P38 better. I don't know what they both work fine. This one I can get a rhythm going on and open a can in like 10 seconds. This thing takes about 20 seconds. Let's put this little notch here in that can. Just for comparison, I'll show you what the P38 does. Same principle, put it on the can. Yeah, come off there. Look at that. That's some good eating. So talking to various people about this problem, a couple of people suggested that you can take a spoon, a metal spoon, doesn't work with a plastic spoon, and take the dish face to the outside of the can and rub it back and forth, and that'll open the can. So let's take this au jus gravy outside. Oh, let's see if I can do it in here. Nah, I can't get I got to set it down on something firm. So it ain't pretty, but it works. Also, I was told you could take this can and rub it on a coarse rock, and that'll open it. That I'm dying to find out.
Many unbearable moments later.
This rock thing, I think I'm using it wrong. There you go. So best thing to do is make sure you get a can with a pop top. If you can't find your deliciousness in a pop top, make sure you have one of these. And I always put my P51, P38. If you're going to buy one, buy the P38. I like it a lot better. You might have better luck with a P51, but I have little girly hands, so P38 fits perfect in my smallish hands. I don't know anybody who goes camping without a pocket knife or any type of blunt object like a screwdriver. So you can always open a can with that. I've done that 1,000 times before. If you're in a survival situation, I guess rubbing it on a rock will work. But man, you work up an appetite doing that. When I'm hungry, I want to open up the can and eat. All right, well, if you got some time to kill, check out my podcast, 10 Minute Off-Road Podcast, where I babble on about stuff like this all endlessly. There'll be a card for it up here or over here, however. If that didn't put you to sleep, you got some more time to kill, check out this video. It's one of my favorite, and you can always try that one. And as always, hit like and subscribe. You can always hit the thumbs down button if you want to. And as always, thanks for watching.